Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Elbert County, east central Douglas County, and northeastern Colorado until 3 p.m. At 2:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southwest of Kiowa, or 36 miles southeast of Denver, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Castle Rock, Elbert, Elizabeth, Kiowa, Ponderosa Park, Franktown, Fondness, and Castlewood Canyon. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail.